In this video, I'll show you the best VPN to use for Netflix. If you want to access geo-restricted shows and movies from anywhere, the best VPN for the job is NordVPN. You can use the link in the description to try it at a great price while following along. NordVPN has over 8,490 ultra-fast servers across 129 countries, including hundreds of servers in the United States, giving you plenty of options to connect to an American IP and access Netflix, US, or other regional streaming libraries. You can also choose specialized servers for streaming, P2P sharing, or double encrypted servers for maximum privacy and security. To get started, download and install the NordVPN app on your device. Open the app and log in with your account. On the main dashboard, you'll see a map and a list of countries. You can either click Quick Connect to automatically connect to the fastest US server or manually select a server in the United States. This ensures your IP appears as if you're browsing from the US, unlocking geo-blocked content instantly. NordVPN also includes advanced features to improve both security and performance. The NordLynx protocol delivers high-speed connections with minimal latency, perfect for streaming HD and 4K content. Threat protection blocks malware, trackers, and ads, while CyberSec adds an extra layer of online safety. If you need a dedicated IP for secure streaming or banking platforms, NordVPN has that option too. Once connected, you can open Netflix on your laptop, phone, or TV and stream content available in the US without restrictions. Use the link in the description to try NordVPN at a great price and start streaming Netflix,